come along with us as we take you through to Durban.
Take the exit on the left.
There we go. To go and fetch an industrial sewing machine. So on my channel you'll see that I have been using a home machine, an Empesil 120A dressmaker that has lasted me well for nearly 14 years. It's still going well. A few things, it will need a service. It's never been for a service. I've kind of just fix things myself as we've gone along. The reason for wanting to do a slight upgrade is first of all, the flatbed has got me, because the loose arm or the arm that comes with a home machine sometimes makes things tricky, especially when sewing with bags. Trying to turn it around, there's such limited space in sewing on the other side, which this doesn't have. And then also with making curtains, or I'll tell you picnic blankets, which is a video that should be coming out soon. I'll show you what I use to pad it, and then also to make it a waterproof bottom, so that no matter where you go for any little spot, you don't have to look for a dry patch. You can just put it down wherever and the blanket's not going to get wet, or your bum's not going to get wet. And it also then protects the material from changing color. Also, obviously, industrial machines are a bit more of a workhorse, so they can handle a lot more going through them and things like that. So we are going to Saito, which is a South African based company. If you look up their website, I will put a link below. It really looks amazing. They look extremely professional, and we did phone ahead. We kind of have an idea of the machine that we want. But there's about a 200 Rand difference between another one that I kind of have my eye on, which can do, I can't remember, it can do another function, but I can't remember what. But they have very kindly offered to show us how the machine works, all the rest. Another reason for us going through is that a machine will already be set up, whereas you can order online. They offer deliveries.
Continue straight.
But then you'll obviously have to assemble it at home. Some good advice that a friend gave me is to actually take the fabric that you plan to use. Excuse the background. So if you are going to be sewing with leather, thick leather or foam or whatever the case is, perhaps consider taking a piece with, to see that the machine can handle it and how it handles it, so that you're comfortable with that. So I thought that was pretty good advice. And then also to see the size of it. So I mean, we have a bakkie, as they call it in South Africa, or if you're in Australia, a ute, or I suppose anywhere else it's probably called a van. But perhaps you have a car and you're not sure is it going to fit or not. So let us show you, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on the products that I'm going to be making with my industrial machine. So if you are deciding whether or not to get one, or what it can and can't do, if you have a little business or want to start up a little sewing business, this is also going to help you quite a bit. So yeah, come with us and let's show you around. We should be meeting somebody by the name of
Manza.
My husband spoke to him,
will be on the right.
and we have, I won't say we've booked an appointment, but we have kind of given him a heads up that we're coming and that we would like someone to show us around. So very excited. We are almost here. For those in the Durban, South African region, the road's name is?
It's now changed to Florence and Zama. It was Prince Alfred.
Okay, so it was Prince Alfred. It's now changed to Florence and Zama. But you should find them. We are going according to the address that was found on GPS. So it should be easy enough. Okay, come and join us.
Right. There it is. We went through a red robot on camera because I had no idea what was going on.
Your destination is on the right.
Okay, so there's Singer here, Saito.
This
You
is it, yeah.
might actually recognize it. A lot of the oil that I buy for my machine is Saito brand, and they're right next to Singer. Apparently, a lot of their parts. Sorry, they're busy.
Get this guy to move. Where? Over here. Sure.
Apparently, a lot of the parts that are used to fix other machines are provided by Saito. Yeah, but here we are. That's the sign that you'll see. So if you're looking, that's where we are. And yeah, guided very nicely by a car guard. Let's go inside.
Check